And we have one of those quintessential summertime days here in Mississippi. We started off this morning with a little bit of fog out there. It's long gone. Like it's from Canada and not northern Mississippi. Definitely looks like a wintertime sunset to me. Luckily, temperatures not like they are in Canada. Tail end of January, but still January and it's 70 degrees. That's almost shorts weather. 5:30, this is the squall line, but look at these cells right out in front of it. These are the ones we're going to have to watch for that tornadic possibility as we go throughout this evening. Especially if you are north of Highway 82. They're looking at lower 40s and even some 30s. Morning, we are starting off this morning where we ended up yesterday. Tupelo right now at 69 degrees. That's where we topped out yesterday. That was our high. As a squall line moves through later on this evening, we also have the threat, though, for some isolated tornadoes. If you were to the north and east of this storm, right now it's located near Goldman Road, Bates Road, Yates Road, Webb Springs Road. If you're in this area, again, this is along Highway 25, between Highway 25 and Highway 395, just to the west of Noxapater. Yeah, this is the Barron button. It's a viewer-friendly way of looking at the most severe parts of this storm, including high winds and hail. You want to make sure you are in the lowest level of your home. Again, this entire storm is tornado warned. That warning goes from Winston County over to Noxubee and also up near Oktibbeha County. And notice this dot right here of higher pinks. That's likely picking up on debris that this storm is throwing up. We're going to put up something called the correlation coefficient. Notice this area of blues right here. This means it's not picking up on rain or normal things we see in storms. It's picking on different objects. Well, good morning. I hope your day is off to a wonderful start. Let's get you out the door this morning with what you can expect all day long. We're looking at 77 at 10 a.m., 83 by noon. This afternoon, our high is going to be 85 degrees. Big news is sunshine all day long. You can put the umbrella away. You won't need it. We're going to be staying sunny and rain-free all day, which is, of course, great news if you didn't like all that wet weather we've been seeing. Since we have a cold front coming through yesterday, it slowly moved through. We didn't really get to see the big difference yesterday afternoon, but here it is this morning. 11 degrees difference between this morning and yesterday at this same time. Yesterday we were in the 70s. This morning, the 60s. If that's a little too chilly for you, you might want to grab the jacket as you head outside. 62 degrees in Tupelo, 63 down in Columbus, a cool spot, 57 over in Oxford. The sun's out now. We're going to start to warm things up, but the good news is the sun's going to stick around for a while. We're watching this high pressure off to our west as it continues to sit there and move very slowly to the east. We're going to be able to stay sunny and dry. High pressure is associated with falling air, and that means that you can't really get any clouds to form. You can't really get any rain to form. So wherever these highs sit, around them, we see sunny skies, and that's, of course, great news. We are also going to stay a little bit cooler, at least for today and tomorrow. The reason for that, we're watching the air come from the northwest instead of up from the coast. Whenever we have that, we have drier air. You noticed the humidity when you walked outside. It wasn't really there, and that's going to be the story for the next couple of days. Nice and dry out there. Our winds will shift and start coming from the south by this weekend. That means, unfortunately, the moisture, humidity, it will be returning. Storm track, 3 o'clock. Notice something missing? Well, it's those rain showers. Not there today. We're going to be dry all day long. Storm tracker saying we'll be dry through at least midnight as well, and then into tomorrow. I think we aren't going to see any rain there anyway. All thanks to that high pressure. Definitely going to make it a beautiful end of this week. Thursday, still a little bit cooler, 87 degrees. 90s don't return until Friday and Saturday, but we're still dry. Next chance for rain doesn't come until Sunday and Monday of next week. Allie?